Today, we'll be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your jet variable speed wood lathe. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you're ready to get started. After each use, blow out chips and dust using compressed air. Periodically apply a light coat of oil to the headstock spindle, tailstock quill, bed surface, and the tool rest post. Protect the bed from rust by applying paste wax or commercial rust protectant. You'll want to periodically inspect the lathe for loose fasteners, worn electrical cables, proper belt tension, excessive belt wear, or any other situation that might affect operation or create a safety risk. To maintain the motor brushes, periodically inspect the 2 carbon brushes located at each side of the motor. If brushes do need replacing, replace both at the same time. Unscrew the cap and remove the brush. Inspect the brush and replace if any of the following are seen. Brush is worn 1/4 inch or more. It has a collapsed spring, a broken lead in spring, an abnormal discoloration, or any signs of breakage, burning, or crumbling. Reinsert the brush or install a new one and screw in the cap. Inspect the brush on the opposite side of the motor in a similar manner. If you have any further maintenance questions about your jet variable speed wood lathe, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your jet tool should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.